Okay guys, so Talk Home have set me a challenge, and that challenge is to win minutes for my bundles. How I do this? 3 rounds. First round is buzzwords. I have to get the person I'm talking to on the phone to say a word that I've been randomly chosen. Each word they say, I get right, I get 1 minute added to my bundle. Next round is the alphabet round. I start a sentence with letter A, next sentence starts with letter B, and I go through the whole alphabet. If I get all the way through, I get 10 minutes added to my bundles. And last but not least, my favourite one, this is the anthems round. This is my favourite one because I need to sing. I can't sing, but I need to. When I sing a famous chorus, if the person I'm talking to sings the rest of it back to me, I then get 15 minutes added to my bundles. Let's go. I was just chatting to a friend, I can't remember the name of, you know, we went to that zoo and they had that massive fat horse with a horn. What was it called?
Zoo?
Yeah, the zoo. A gigantic horse with the horn on it.
You mean a rhino?
Well, yeah, but what's the long name of it?
Oh, the rhinoceros.
Oh, that's it, thank God. What would you call it when something is out of your price range? It's not...
What? What?
Oh, what's it called when the Wi-Fi goes down? You can't get
Well, you can on.
What, like overpriced?
Yeah, but like it means if it's or maybe something that you can get is in your price range.
Affordable.
Say again.
Affordable.
Yeah, exactly. That's the word. I knew. I can't wait to tell lads. It's just we're having a conversation. We're forgetting some words.
Are you been drinking?
No, it's way too early in the day for that. It's not even half 11.
Not for you. You're your father's son.
You always tell me I'm not. How would you describe yourself to women? Like, obviously, what's the best word to say? Like, you love giving hugs to people and that.
What's the best word to tell to a girl that I give better hugs?
You know, like
What?
remember at school, right? When you were kids, you all jumped into a pile.
All jumped into what?
Like a pile on top of each other.
Oh, what? Bundle?
Yeah. Do you remember that? They're brilliant, weren't they?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'll tell you what, you know the fields behind your house? Have you seen that thing stood in the middle of it? That thing that the farmer made? Like a man made out of something?
You're talking about scarecrow?
Yeah, you've seen him in the field.
No, we haven't got a scarecrow. What are you on about?
No, oh God, I've got a really bad spot. And it's, oh God, what's it say? You know when you squeeze it and it all flows out, what's it?
What are you talking about, Will? You have been drinking.
Huh?
You have been drinking, haven't you?
No! No! What would you call it if you were travelling from country to country? You're going...
You're traveling, obviously. Or are you going on holiday?
No! I was...
When you squeeze a spot, it usually squirts, doesn't it?
Yeah, but what if it's really slow on it? Slowly something's out, doesn't it?
What, oozes?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. That's the word I mean. Oozes out. Like if the dog goes crazy at someone, it's going proper old school word.
What? Barking? What?
Not barking mad, but it's like. Oh.
Are you okay?
What was the flying bird called? The dinosaur.
What are these questions, bro? I don't know. I watched Jurassic Park like once. Eagleosaur or something. I don't know. And all I know is T-Rex and long neck. That's it, man. And the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros?
Like when people go mad after, you know, like a very stressful mental situation, some people can go a
I feel
bit.
like that's what's happened to you. Like I know, like lockdown's been tough, but
Yeah.
I feel like you might be having a bit of a breakdown or something.
My brain's all over the place. I really need to brush the thingies out of it.
Cobwebs?
Yeah, honestly, I'm losing the plot. Yeah, have you managed to get any universal whatever the government provide?
The credit thing.
Yeah. What noise does a mouse make? What word describes that noise?
I don't know, but I can spell it.
Go on then.
TWEETIH.
Is it on your under your shoulder? You talk about?
Like the joint in your arm, the back of it.
What? Your shoulder? No. What?
Below the
Your elbow. Your elbow.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. I just miss doing this stuff. I miss, like putting a nice, not you wouldn't put a suit on, you put a dress on, but putting a nice gown on or something and going out dressing up all.
A gown? Are you missing wearing your gown?
Well, no, I'm sick of the dressing gown and I'm missing the dress up gown. There is something that I wanted to explain to you though. All of this sort of situation we've been going through recently becomes very, very tiresome. Can't really explain it all to you.
A bit like this telephone.
Don't really know how to explain it. Everyone really has the same views on it. For example, good times don't really happen anymore, do they?
You're trying to get me to say things, aren't you?
Happen. They don't
What
happen.
are you up to? You're trying to.
I'm not. Just listen to me.
One of your wind-ups.
Keep calm.
Do I sound excited?
Listen to me. Maybe know that. Oh no. A&E I went to.
Where?
A&E.
Oh.
Because I hurt my elbow.
Yeah.
Can't really do much about it.
No, not really. No elbows.
Didn't half hurt though.
Don't lean on anything. It's what?
Didn't half hurt.
Oh, I bet it did.
Elbows are horrible things to knock, aren't they?
Well, they are. Anything's horrible to hit.
Well, it's good that I tried to stop my fall a little bit though, because otherwise I could have broken my arm. All this rubbish going on at the moment brings out the good and bad in some people. Can you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Don't let anyone bother you from this situation.
I hear that.
Everyone can be good and everyone can be bad. For example, I've seen people on my social media that are no longer there anymore.
True.
Good people stay though. Good people stay.
Could what?
Good people stay, don't they?
Good people stay. Yeah, obviously, of course.
Happy people stay. Independent people stay. Jolly people stay.
Will, what are you talking about, bro?
Kings of the circuit stay.
Fam, what one?
Listen. Many noble people. All I'm saying, because of this lockdown, aren't really
Bad words.
they used to.
Yeah.
Don't really know how to. Everyone, seems to be okay. Few people are losing it a bit, as you can probably tell. Hardly really spoken to many people, have you? Dad, quick one.
No, you can't have any money.
Heaven's gone and heaven's here, there's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream.
I'm a burning effigy of everything you used to be. You're my rock of empathy now.
So come on, let me. Yes, Dad! Amazing. Right, I've got to go. I've got more important people to call. Sorry, bye. Just a quick one, actually, Baz, before you go.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going now.
Everyone in heaven's here, there's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream.
Ah. Yeah, I've screamed.
Anyway, listen, I'm going to let you go, but I just want to say something before I let you go, man.
What one?
Are we human? Or are we dancer?
My hands are gold. And I'm on my knees.
My knees, looking for the answer. Sing it, Mash.
Are we humans?
Yes.
Are we dancers?
You're such a...
Come on! I know the tune, but what are you talking about, bro?
I've got one last thing to say to you, so.
Go on.
The hills are alive.
With the sound of music.
Oh, Sophie, you're amazing. I love you. I'm going to let you go. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Okay, see someone. Okay.
Well, that is that. Wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but still got caught out a couple of times. However, I'm off now to speak to my mate abroad. I haven't spoken to him since the start of lockdown. So, yeah, take your time to speak to people you haven't spoken to in a while. Have a great day.